Hi first grade, this is Miss Wingard. This is a review of today's writing lesson. Today we discussed how to take notes and find the most important details in informational text and informational writing. So this comes right from Pebble Go. I chose the clownfish. So here is my title, here is a photograph. And the first section in Pebble Go was the body. It says clownfish have orange bodies with white stripes. They are about 4 inches, 10 centimeters long. Clownfish use fins to swim in the ocean. So as a class, we discussed how we can find the most important information in this text. Whenever we fill out an organizer like the one right here, we're going to put our animal name in the middle, clownfish, and this was the section on the body. So these are called bullet points. I have a dot, and I'm going to look for the most important information. It doesn't have to be a complete sentence, it is only a few words or a phrase. So as a class, we said that the most important information is that a clownfish have orange bodies with white stripes. So in our first bullet, we wrote orange body. For the second bullet, we put white stripes. We also highlighted 4 inches. That describes how long they are, 4 inches. And clownfish use fins to swim in the ocean. Instead of writing that whole sentence, we simply put the word fins. We are pulling out the most important information. The next section was habitat. Let me go ahead to that page. So here we have habitat. I will go ahead and read it first. Clownfish swim in warm ocean waters. They live with sea anemones and coral reefs. When we wanted to find out and learn more about the clownfish's habitat, we decided that warm ocean waters was the most important. So we put a dot and wrote warm ocean water. That gives us a quick idea of where the clownfish lives. They also live with sea anemones and coral reefs. So this part has been highlighted and we're going to go ahead and write it together. With sea anemones. So I'm going to put my bullet point and write with sea anemones. Again, we're just pulling out the most important information, and it is not going to be in a complete sentence. Tomorrow in Zoom, you are going to get the chance to log off early to work on your organizer for one animal that you would like to write about. We practiced the body and habitat together. Tomorrow you will be able to add 1 or 2 bullets about their food and what they eat, as well as 1 or 2 fun facts. Thanks for watching first grade. Now you can go into the seesaw activity and color the clownfish to let us know that you have watched this video. Remember, when you look at your chart, the clownfish body is orange with white stripes. Keep that in mind as you go to the seesaw activity to follow.